This poor bird, this is blizzard eating. Blizzard going on and he's still hungry anyhow. Gotta eat. On top there's one of those bell bird seeds. He's pushing through the snow and he's still eating. Poor little one. Don't know which way the wind's gonna blow. Awful cold. Still going. Probably froze. The seeds are probably froze right there too. Looks like he's got to dig for it. Poor little one. Got an awful big belly, huh? Almost looks like a mama, huh? Look at that. Dig its way right into the seeds, poor thing. Others want to get in too, but this bird's still at it. Really got to peck away. It's hard to stay on top. The wind's kind of taking them. Oh, he made his way away. Just went down to catch one that he probably dropped. Right back at it. Look at the wind just move his feathers right out. Wow, did you see? He almost flew right off. Oh, that's why he goes there, to get a little bit of stability and then comes right back up. The wind gets to be too much there. Poor little bird. Gotta go down, warm up a little bit. Look at that, it's hard just to stay still. Never mind trying to eat. It's going down. Okay, I'm going to stay a little warm here. Poor thing. Alright, hope you've enjoyed my bringing you this. Look at that big blizzard going on. Poor little ones. Snow's just coming down anyway. You can hear the wind whipping right away. Bye-bye.